just a little bit, then I'm going to eat my delicious high protein breakfast bowl, which is apple and Gouda chicken sausage and 3 whole boiled eggs with some pepper and some hot sauce. I didn't add any salt because I'm trying to cut back on the sodium. Okay guys, time to eat. Let me say my grace first. I hope you guys can hear me okay. Let me just start off and say my name is Dionne if you are new here to my channel. My channel is about my life, Dionne's life. I try to focus on eating healthier, exercising. I do blog videos sometimes. I do review videos about TV shows and movies. And I share just bits and portions of my life. And I've been on YouTube 6 years now. So make sure you subscribe to my channel. Make sure you have the notification bell on so you can just see what I got coming up. Either way, guys, I weighed myself this morning. I weighed 233.8. I've gained 30 pounds. And I am so just speechless. That's why the food fell out and it ain't want to go in my mouth, because it's like, girl, you need to just pull back from the, pull the bowl back, pull the plate back, pull back from the table, etc., etc. But I just wanted to cut the camera on and just talk to you guys a little bit this morning. Yeah, 30 pounds. Not supposed to be losing weight, but I done gained weight. I haven't been doing exercising like I normally should, and it's just a lot been going on, but I'm getting back lined, getting back focused, and it's like the same story over and over again. But either way, yeah, we finna start this challenge, aka similar to the 75 hard challenge. And I'll share more of that with you guys later. Let me eat my breakfast and enjoy myself.